Have you ever experienced a breakdown? How do you feel when nothing in the world seems to be right? When everything falls apart? But the universe has plans for you. How do you know that the universe is preparing to give it back to you? There are certain signs. Let us explore these signs that the universe is preparing to give it back to you. Sign number 1. Whenever you experience a breakdown, you should remember that a breakthrough is on the way. Without a breakdown, breakthrough is not possible. Sign number 2. When you suddenly build an attitude of never giving up, when you be a fighter, there is something inside you that says, do not give up. That is one of the signs that the breakthrough is on its way. Sign number 3. When you just start to follow your own instinct, you start to follow what your heart says and you stop being affected by the judgment of others. When others' opinion do not matter to you, you know you are going to break through. Sign number 4. When you start to embrace self-love, when self-love becomes the supply and gives you immense energy and strength to hold on, you know breakthrough is on its way. Sign number 5. When you love spending time alone, when you know the difference between aloneness and loneliness, you know something is developing, something is cooking for breakthrough to take place. Sign number 6. When you suddenly realize that everybody is unique and the idea of being inferior or superior suddenly drops away, you know the breakthrough is soon going to take place. Sign number 7. When you start working on ideas which are out of the box and which are not very popular, when you suddenly know that only by being different you can create a difference, you will break through. Sign number 8. When you are willing to make mistakes and when you start to accept the way you are and you are willing to be that way, you know you will soon break through. Sign number 9. When you choose to be free and when you give up all your fears, you know that breakthrough will soon take place. Sign number 10. When relationships which are long drawn are coming to an end and you start to accept them gracefully and start to embrace and only work on which serves your life purpose, breakthrough has to happen. Sign number 11. When you learn and start to live your life with honesty and integrity, breakthrough will take place. Always remember one thing: after the darkest night is when the sunrise takes place.